So this fish curry is really, really simple to make. It really is delicious, really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the fish that I'm using today is this. It's a dory fish, or a pollock known as that. It's a frozen fish. What I've done, defrosted it, then I patted it dry. It's important to get it quite dry. Cut it into fairly chunky pieces. There's about 3 cups there, just over 3 cups. I've got half a cup of flour. Now you can use any flour you want. I'm using wheat flour, but corn or potato flour, something like that also works. In here we've got a teaspoon of salt, pepper, turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, just in case anyone's interested. What we're gonna do, put the fish into a larger bowl, pop that in, give it a mix. Okay, nothing to it. So the fish is in a bowl there, half a cup of flour of your choice, and then we're going to go salt, pepper, turmeric, chili powder. In that goes. You can see that I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in there and give it a nice little mix up. Really simply, we're going to get over to the cooker. We're going to fry this off first. It's quite a delicate fish, so if we fry it off, it'll kind of stay in shape for what we're going to use it for. So I've got there like a centimetre of oil. Today I'm using corn oil. Something like canola or sunflower also will work. We're getting that hot. What we're going to do is we're going to drop our fish in to really nice hot oil, and we're going to cook it for about 3 minutes on each side. Let's just check it out. Not ready. All right, so just make sure the oil's hot. Let's have a go now, shall we? Yeah, that's good. Now I'm probably going to do this in a couple of batches. Don't crowd the pan. And like I say, this fish is really quite delicate, and it will cook really quite fast. So 3 minutes aside will do it. Then I'm going to fetch it out, and I'm going to put it onto some paper towel just to get rid of any excess oil. Okay, so there's our fish. It's crispy, it's cooked all the way through, like I say, cooked really quickly, and we've spiced it really nicely as well. Let's move on. Okay, with the fish done, we can move on and take a look at these ingredients. So I've got like a pint there, or like 400 ml. It's from a can, this one, of coconut milk. It's a 400 ml can. 1 cup of onion, half a cup of cilantro or coriander, fresh chili to taste. It's up to you how many you want to put in there. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. I've got a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 green cardamom, and a teaspoon of black mustard seeds there. And then the powders. You always hear me call this the big 4. It's actually the big 5 today. So it's equal parts. There's a teaspoon each of chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, and garam masala powder. Let's get moving. So I've got there about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil today. You could be using a different oil if you want. Coconut oil might be actually nice. That's on high heat. I've just put it on. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds, the cardamom, and the black mustard seeds. And just for a few seconds in that hot oil, let them do their thing. They'll infuse the oil and give it a really lovely flavor. So don't skip this little process here. It's really, really important. Okay. 1 cup onion. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. We're now going to add our fresh chili, up to you how many you want to put in. And on this highish heat, we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Beautiful. Let's add some salt. Let's add our spices. Let's take another look. So we've got equal parts: turmeric, cumin, coriander, garam masala, and chili. And we're going to give this a really nice stir in for a few seconds. And then very simply we're going to add the coconut milk. Stay on this highish heat and go for 3 minutes. Really simple and beautiful. Right, let's get our fish. Let's reintroduce that into the pan. And tossing it around, not stirring it too much. You don't want to break the fish. We're going to go for 4 more minutes on this high heat. Nearly done. Well done, everyone. Well done, well done. That is beautiful. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt. Let's not forget that cilantro or coriander. Also, fresh mint. If you don't have coriander, fresh mint works really nicely in a curry. Really nicely. Okay, job done. That is super. And there we have it. That is really banging. I love that one. Really, really delicious. I hope you enjoyed that too. Keep safe and keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.